bebe ko, bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.
Babay na kayo papa nyo.
Bye-bye pa. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye, Chi. Bye-bye po, Chi. Bye-bye po, Chi.
Until I forget you, like I never met you. My dearest Valentine, throw it away, but close enough to you. 'Cause although I hate you, I will still fall in love, my Clementine. Every time.
Strike! Ano pala ito? Solid! Ito ka ba? Ano yan? Tama mo kaya ito? Alam nyo, ito.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Aray nyo.
Pakita ka lang oh. Napapalabilyaran to. Ano kaya?
Aray.
Ito.
Huwag yung...
Nanuno ka dyan. Uy, galing no.
Sentical na.
Galing na.
Ano ako?
Stripes.
Tao.
Aray.
Tatanong mo. Ano eh? Uy, galing! Sayang, visit.
Hi guys, we're cooking. Let her cook. Let this one cook. You're cooked. Cooked with
Color it gray until I forget you, like I never met you. My dearest cloud. Color it dark until I forget you, like I never met you. My dearest cloud.
Patuloy na. Ay po.
Agad yan. May trauma rin.
Kabuo.
Tama ka rin.
Alo, aray po. Chill na views. Tingnan mo kasi kumulo. Nakakainis.
Oo nga.
Why you standing by yourself? Those shoes were made for dancing with someone else. Why don't we move on to the empty space? I'll bet you $20. I'll put a smile on your face. I know a place where
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog.
Hi, Black. Welcome to life.
Ano to? Ano na gagawin?
Christmas fluid, we could take our time.
Ay, maliligo ka din eh. 6 months sa paghintay. 6 months. Patay ka sa akin. Oo, dadayuin kita dyan sa QC. Parang LA. Dadayuin kita sa QC.
I haven't had the chance to show you my
Bye-bye guys!
like to see why they call me this. what you can do. I don't wanna waste your time, so please just have me for tonight. Dance. Yeah, I said let's dance the night away, baby. We could try to make the world spin slower. We could take our time, get to know each other over cherry wine. Oh, I dance the night away, baby. We could try to make the world spin slower. We could take our time. No, it's too soon to say your mind. Let's have a little drink tonight. Get to know each other over cherry wine. I've been meaning to call. It's okay if you hate me. How's it like back at home? Is the lake still as pretty? I see that we've been running around in these peculiar towns, different coastlines. And we've been way too busy at school. It's nice to see we're still fools in the same life. When the odds of it all get in the way, know I'll be around when you call at the end of the day. Even if the world around it feels like it's all falling apart, there'll forever be a room for you inside of my heart. It's true. There's always room for you. About time that you ring. Here it's almost 10:30. You just get out of bed.
Guys, ikaw muna.
Ikaw muna.
Ikaw muna.
Video. Native kasi. Yan.
Remember that old house down
Ayo.
the road with the window.
Kulang pa views. Kulang pa isa na lang.
Kulang pa isang
City started to change just a reason like how
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3.
when the odds of it all get in the way. No, I'll be around when you call at the end of the day. Even if the world around you feels like it's a falling apart, there'll forever be a room for you inside of my heart. It's true. There's always room for you.
Bilis mo naman eh. Ikaw yung nakita na tita. Kilikili review.
Oo, ikaw kilikili review. Aray ko.
Tutupi kita sa walo eh.
Ano? Saan?
Tutupi kita sa walo eh.
Saan walo?
Makita ang bigot ko diyan. Paano magiging uod?
Paano maging uod?
Kahit na kaya ang bigot ko na.
Grabe, ang laki ng legs mo. Tapos ang dami mo pang ano.
Balbon na yung balbon.
Aray!
Wala na si Gwen. No!
Kaya.
Kuso. Pasa.
Aray.
Correct, para ano. Pakita ang bigote ko. Ano ko?
Aray ko! Pwede ka na sa mag-model-model, kuya.
Soon as I walk through eyes, couldn't find fear on my mind.
Let's go.
I'm
Si Eric.
Sabi ni Tita si Seth, may agogo dancer na pala dun sa inyo.
I'm talking to you.
Ano agogo?
I'm talking to you. My life's so tricky, yeah. So would you let
Paano yung dikdikan, kuya?
to hide inside your
Sa DC nyo?
pictures and blue skies?
Paano yung dikdikan?
Dikdikan. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Kaya nga. Kami na lang laging dumadayo. Ikaw naman. Ikaw naman.
Punta tayo ano, Tin? Punta tayo ano?
That's naman. Let's go. Babe, laki ng muscle mo, kuya. Kuya. Ay, wow. Di pa yan na-exercise. Papayat ka na?
Hindi pa. Tagal pa ulit. Kailangan mo mag-exercise.
Let's go.